Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to carry out feature selection of attributes in Rapidminer. For this, we will be using many operators. We will see one by one. The first operator which we will be using is the information gain. Basically, this operator calculates the weight of attributes with respect to the class attribute by using the information gain. The higher the weight of an attribute, the more relevant it is considered. Second operator, which is considered as information gain ratio. It calculates the weight of attributes with respect to the label attribute by using the information gain ratio. Again, the interpretation is the higher the weight of an attribute, the more relevant it is considered. Please note that this operator can only be applied on example sets with nominal label. The next operator is weight by relief. It calculates the weight of the attributes. All parameters are used with default values. The normalized weights parameter is set to true. Thus, all weights will be normalized in range 0 to 1. The next operator is weight by correlation. It calculates the weight of attributes with respect to the label attribute by using the correlation, that is a target variable. The higher the weight of an attribute, the more relevant it is considered. Please note that the weight by correlation operator can be applied only on example sets with numerical or binomial label. Now, how we can run this? One more operator we will have to consider, and that operator is optimize selection operator. It is a nested operator. It has a sub-processes. It is necessary for the sub-process to deliver a performance vector. And this performance vector is used by the underlying feature reduction algorithm. Now, how we can do this in Rapidminer? Let's see. First of all, we will load the dataset heart1. I'll connect the spline here, press this play button. And you can see here age, gender, chest pain type, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting ECG, max HR, exercise yes or no, old peak, ST slow, and heart disease are the attributes which are considered. The target variable is a heart disease, which is captured in a categorical scale. And therefore, this present, the heart disease is considered to be in category, and therefore it is a classification problem. So we will go in design, and now we will select the attributes. Why it is necessary? Because the data set may consist of many attributes, and all of them may not be necessary to make the model. We will select some of them. So I will go and select attributes. I will activate subset, select attributes. At present, for running our analysis, transfer all of them. Apply. The next thing which you will have to activate is set the role. That is, I'll have to specify which is my target variable. So I'll go here and activate heart disease. Make sure that the target role is specified as labeled. Now for the feature selection, I'll activate the operators which are weight by information. So maximize this window. So one is weight by information gain, which we have already discussed. I'll drop it here. Next is weight by gain ratio. I'll drop it here. First of all, load all of them. Next, I'll activate weight by relief. That also drop it here. Next, weight by correlation. Then optimize the selection. But first of all, let us connect all the splines. Here, example to example, example to example, example to example. Directly take the output of weight. So this operator will give me. Now I will take the output from each operator to the result window. 1, 2, and 3. After taking this output, I'll pass this example into optimize selection. There are many type of optimized selections. You can scroll from here for feature selections. So the most celebrated one are brute force and evaluationary. I'll be using the brute force. I'll drop it here and I'll connect example with example and example with the result window. Now you can see here there are two layers and therefore there is a sub process which is running. The sub process, the parent process and the child process, main process and sub process. Double click on it and you will enter into the sub process. Now split the data from here. Connect example with example. You are going to use logistic regression algorithm and therefore activate that algorithm only. So the optimization will be done on the basis of this algorithm only. So split the data which we are going to split into training and testing. Training will enter into logistic regression and the testing data will enter into apply the model. Here we'll connect model with model and par with unlabeled, and I will evaluate the performance of logistic regression on the basis of performance operator. And as it is a logistic regression, we are going to use classification operator. I will connect this spline with the label and I'll take the performance into performance. Now there are some red warnings which you can see. It means that there is something which is missing in split data. Activate the split data, go in edit enumerations. So you want to specify that I want to divide the data into 70% training data set and 30% testing data. So 70% training, 30% testing. Okay. Now you can see the red warnings have gone. Press the up arrow and you will come in the main process. Now let us run this. One by one, we will try to understand. So we'll start with attribute weights, weight by information gain. So if you recall the definition, what it was? It was the weight by information gain operator calculates the weight of attributes, that is the variables which we are considering with respect to the class attribute by using the information gain. The higher the value, better. Let us see which attribute is having the higher value. And you can see cholesterol is max HR is considered to be the important attribute for the classification of the heart disease, and the second one is cholesterol. This is according to the information gain. The next operator which we are considering is the information gain ratio. What is its definition? It calculates the weight of attributes with respect to the label attribute by using the information gain ratio. Higher the value, more relevant it is considered. Okay, so we'll go in gain ratio and let us see what weightage it is giving. So here more weight is given to age, max HR, and no, you go from bottom only. So it has already identified old peak, age, max HR, and cholesterol. In case of information gain also, old peak is considered to be the best indicator. So gain ratio. One more which is left is attribute weight. And here it is according to the weight by relief. So what was its definition? Weight by relief. It is an operator to calculate the weight of the attributes or parameters are used with default values, and the range will be 0 to 1. Everything will, the output will be evaluated on the basis of 0 to 1. Higher the value, better. Fasting blood sugar, old peak, age, and resting ECG. But still one output is missing. Let us see, go see that. Yeah. Weight we have not connected with the result window, and let us see, let us run it. So weight will be targeting the dependent variable, and you will get this from, yeah, here it is. So here also the weight by correlation has identified 0.40, old peak, max HR, age. These are the factors which can be used. These are feature select. This is known as a feature selection. The best attributes are selected for creating the model. Now again I can go in design window. In this optimized selection, uh, we have used the brute optimized selection through brute force. I can use the evolutionary also. So I'll go here and activate optimize selection. And this time I will select, just a minute. If it is possible, I will try. I'll select this, copy. I'll come here. I'll delete this. And now I will load the evolutionary. Double click it. Now control V. Yeah, I can do this. We bring this here. I'll connect example with example, and performance will be connected with the performance. I'll press the up arrow. Weight will be connected with the result window, and weight will be taken to here. Okay, now run the play button. Now this gives me the output on the basis of 1 and 0, the evolutionary. So all attributes which are getting the score of 1, 1, 1, they are the best attributes for creating the model. Everything else will remain same, but optimized selection evolutionary gives me the output on 1 and 0 for the feature selections. So for the more videos on Rapidminer, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I already have uploaded many videos of Rapidminer. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please don't forget to press the like button.